Welcome to the channel again. Today we'll look at the banking stocks in ASX. Last week we looked at the tech stocks. First of all, I would like to say this is not financial advice. This is just pure entertainment and sharing knowledge. Nothing financial, so you just have to do your own research if you make any decisions based on this video. So let's have a look. So first we are looking at the Australia ANZ Bank. Ticket code is ANZ. I put the monthly chart just to see the big picture. As you can see, this is bit volatile sort of a stock. It go up, then go down, then up, sort of down again. Now it is starting to go up. I have done few sort of I put like marks pullbacks, like what percentage the pullbacks. See if I zoom out, you can see it was going up, then you can see clearly now. See the pullbacks. 2007 from this top it has pulled back 60%. Then this is another top in 2015. It has pulled back to the COVID crash because it was on a downtrend, another 60%. So this stock has a tendency to drop by 60% once sort of it comes to a peak. And other thing, let's have a look how long it does take to reverse and go to a peak. So I just did a mark here. So this is the bottom in February 2009. Then it started going up, then there was another pullback. Finally this trend finished here, then stock reverse from here. So that's March 2015. So it's 70, this is a monthly chart, so 72 months it took this uptrend to finish. So if we look at the percentage here, if you are a long-term investor, from here it has traveled 212% until the trend reverse here. So if we look, say if history repeats, this is the March low I just put here. So I just put about 200 because it's round number $45. So let's say if we get to 200%, if this pattern repeats, we are looking at like $45, close to 45. That's sort of a target we should be keeping an eye, $45 if this pattern repeats again, but it takes time. And the other thing I want to show you is, say from 2015 January, this stock is on a downtrend. See here, came back, went down, came back, went down. Now that trend has broken. Let's switch to the weekly chart to look at that area. So see, that trend is now broken, and another good thing here is, see this is the previous level before the COVID crash. Now it has gone up here, that level, then came down, retested sort of around that area. Now it has gone slightly down and coming up. I have a feeling this is a good setup because see the previous, this line has been used as a support by this stock previously. Touched here, broken down, then it has become a resistance in this move. So it is a, see here again, this acted as the resistance before the COVID crash. That line is a significant one for this stock recently. So what I expect, I expect this stock will do, as it has come down, I expect it will go up from here. That's my expectation, but we have to keep an eye. And if you want to make a trade, I would put a stop loss around this area, $27. Let's say go down this low, 26.50 sort of, in case if it comes down, you never know. So that's one stock. Then next look at the next one is the Bendigo, Adelaide Bendigo Bank. Let's have a look quickly because I spent a bit more time on the previous one. Again, if you look at the monthly chart, monthly chart, again it's a bit volatile. So here there's a bottom. So if you look from 2017, again it was on a long-term downwards trend, and this is the COVID crash. So it is getting closer to that trend. So what I look again there, this line I marked here acted as support previously. See here, touched here, sort of broken down but come back up again. So that line is a significant line for this stock, and now it is above that line. So I expect this line to be support. Let's switch to the weeklies. Now it is getting very close to this breaking this long-term trend line. You can see I just put two price cluster areas. So this is a good support area. This block is an area this stock get the support most of the time. So currently it is above this level, so it may come down again, retest this support area and go up. But you have to keep an eye on this high resistance area, because I marked this area. You can see a lot of try to go up in the past this area. It failed. Mark it bit clearly. So around this area. So see, so tried here, this area went down, tried again, went down, tried to come up, no, went back, tried, sort of going back. So that area is a high resistance area for this stock. It's about $11.60, let's say $11.50 sort of. So you have to keep an eye on that area, because even though let's say it's coming up, I expect it may, there's two scenarios. One, it may come down and go up, or it may keep going up in this way. But main thing this stock has to do is break this high resistance area if it is to go up. But if you want to make a trade, you can trade within this range with a tight stop loss. So that's another stock in my watch list. Let's look at the next one. Next one is Bank of Queensland. Again, it is in a long term, from 2017 it was on a downtrend. Now that trend has been broken, so I put my lines here. So you can see this line about $850 has been a good support for this stock for like once, twice, 3, 4 times. This time it's broken, gone down. Now it has gone up, supported from this $8.50 support level, try to go up, then has come down. Let's see what happens. I was expecting this move to go all the way up, but it hasn't happened. It has met resistance. Let's have a look what will this stock will do. I have a feeling it may consolidate around this area before next leg up. Let's keep an eye. Next stock we are looking at is Cba Commonwealth Bank. You can see again, this is the monthly chart. I just put this one so you can see the sort of big picture on this stock. This stock again has pullbacks, then it has gone up, then pullbacks and gone up, and this is the COVID sort of pullback. Now it is going up and has so this week it has closed above the all-time high, so it is in you can see it's in a uptrend here. So if you look here, so this is 2008, so it has pulled back 60%. Next pullback is here. I just put some pullback so we can get an idea how much it pulled back normally. This is 2011, it has pulled back 27%, and I haven't put COVID pullback. And other thing is, see that once it is pulled back, it start going up. Like this is 150%. Here the pullback, from this pullback to the high, it is 124%. So if history is repeating, I expect this to go. I just put a price target 118.96. that's because I just put 125, the price is my target. That's how this 118 came. So last two times when it pulled back, it has gone up 149, 120, so I put my 118 target. So we are looking for a price target. So this is has moved up, similar to this here, similar to from here. It is starting to go up and now cross the all-time high. So I expect price target around 100, let's say 100%, around somewhere here, 118, 114, around here. So that's my target. Then I had a look at how long it takes to reach the all-time high. So this is the last period. So this is monthly, so it has taken 41 months. So from 2011, so 2015, so about 4 years. So if you are a person who is planning for a long-term hold, this is, I think, coming to good territory, because I just marked again a price target. So sorry, time target, which I believe, if we see, this is 41 bars, this is 42 bars, roughly around to September 2023. Those are the targets I have in this for this stock, but in between it will fluctuate up and down. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. You can see weekly probably have to delete this one, otherwise can I hide it? Yep. So here, so if you look at the weekly, so this is the COVID pullback. This is the range I was expecting. It will take some time. So as you can see, it sort of came here, sort of spent a bit more time in this range. Now it has gone up, and this is my all-time high line. Yeah, here. So this is the all-time high point. So it has closed above all-time high last week. So what I expect is there are two things I believe this can do. It will keep going up, reach our price target, or it may do this. It may fall here, then go up to our price target. Those are the two scenarios I'm expecting. It's looking really good. That setup is good because it's bounced back. It's this resistance has now sort of will become a support. Let's see what happens next few weeks. That stock looking really good now. Next one is NAB. Again, I have lines here. You can see again it is on a long-term downtrend like most of the banking stocks. And if you look from the COVID, that period after the COVID crash, it is on an uptrend. So I'll put this line where the previous high before the COVID crash. I personally like this. I marked another resistance line here. Previously that has become a resistance, started going down, then the COVID happened. So I personally, if I want to get in, I personally like to get like close above this line, this resistance. So if it close above this resistance, then it has broken the long-term trend. Then you are certain that nothing certain in the stock market, but you have high probability it will start going up. So I personally would wait until it sort of clear this area to get into this NAB, because it already had a good run. Let's say from COVID low, so 111. So it has a good run. So I would take a bit more time to engage with this one. Next one is the Westpac. Again, like other stocks, it was on a long-term downtrend. It's similar to actually it's similar to NAB, same setup. So it's the same thing like NAB. I like to clear this area before I invest long term. But if you want within this range, you can take a short trade with a good stop loss and make money here. But if you want to invest long term, I would stay until this stock clear this resistance 29. Let's make it $30 until it clears $30 to put money on this. So that's all for this week. We looked at the banking. Please let me know your thoughts, whether you own any banking stocks, what you are thinking. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to bring weekly videos with a bit of technical analysis content. I'll see you next week. Thanks.